Honestly, like I've never had my
Close your eyes.
birthday-
Close your eyes.
I've never had
Close
my
your
birthday
eyes.
or anything else ever be so exciting.
Okay, come on.
Oh my god.
You have to play hopscotch to get there.
Stop it! Stop it! Is she here?
No. I just had to bring her in.
I didn't even see this part when you brought me out.
Oh yeah, I said look at the front.
I thought you meant the front of the car, and I walked around, looked right at it. Oh my gosh. There's some more trail. And we got some shooting stars all over the place, so you have more than one now.
Wait, you gotta follow the footprints. Come on.
Yeah. Whose feet are these?
Mine. I'm all chalky.
Look at her. Look at her shoes.
Oh my god.
You have to read it.
Oh.
Somebody take a picture of this lady.
I'm recording it.
You don't have to read it. It says, I heart Miss Chelsea. Just a bit. Freckle Mafia. So we have your favorite sunflowers and your icing, the favorite icing you like.
I got you these.
So you can put on your station so you remember and smell us always. And your favorite pizza place we heard. So all of your favorite things.
Yay!
So we're hungry, let's eat.
All right, clock out time, brother. Yeah.